It's absolutely true that everything has a season. And while the garden winds down and all of my tasks and responsibilities there lessen, yarn season starts to wind on. Being a self-sufficient urban homesteader and trying to live that lifestyle means that I have to be self-sufficient in more than just the food that we eat and preserve and grow in our yard. I do plenty of other things to help maintain that self-sufficiency. I spin, I weave, I knit for my family, and I sell things in an Etsy shop for extra income. All of those things kind of combine together to make this work for our family. I'm sitting here hand spinning this morning singles of wool that I've actually dyed myself and carded. It was a raw fleece that I bought a couple of years ago, and I've been working my way through it ever since. And I'm spinning that into what are called singles, and I'm going to add another thread and ply that in just a minute. I'm looking for something a little bit less than a worsted weight yarn so that I can knit with it. So I'm actually plying two strands together. One is the wool that I just spun. The other one is a very similar colored, I think you would call it probably Morit colored wool. The brown that you see is natural, that's not dyed. Just the purple and blues that you see in this yarn that I dyed and added in. It's going to make a lovely, lovely yarn for knitting. Or weaving. I do weave a number of winter things that I sell in my Etsy shop, including really nice scarves from hand-spun wool. And this might end up in a scarf yet. We'll see after I wet finish it. But this is just one more of the tasks that I do to help keep us self-sufficient in our lifestyle. If you and your family homesteads too, let me know down below, what do you do besides gardening? What other things do you do? Do you make soap and candles? Do you knit? Do you have a side hustle or two? I'd love to know how you make it work for your family too. Take care.